Yeah. Okay. Sabar. Mana? Okay.
Who are you? Where are we? And what do you want from us?
This is so annoying.
I want to go home. Help me.
Oh my god.
Who are you guys? Wanna go home? Let's play a game. How about mathematics?
Oh.
Okay, then I'm going to give you 3 sets of matrices. You have to find the inverse of each. Then you have to multiply with another one. After that, you get the secret code. If you get the one of the secret code, there will be another 2 will be the failure. But one of them is the right one. After you got it, I'm gonna let you go. This is your questions. So then, good luck.
Where's our boss?
No, where's it?
Now I'm finding the cofactor first of all.
Tiga.
Mwah! I don't matter.
Yeah.
I can go back home now. Thank
Hey.
you.
You can go home yet because you didn't solve the code.
What?
Welcome to Dr. Asyraf and everyone. So today, I will present about the first question of set A, which is K1. We have to solve K1 by using adjoint method. Okay, since K1 is a 4x4 matrix, in order to obtain the minor of the matrix, of the entry itself, we have to delete its row and the corresponding column, and then find the determinant of the resulting matrix. So, what I mean by deleting its row and corresponding column is, we have to delete it in this way. We have to delete it by closing this column and also closing this row. So we'll get a 3x3 matrix here, and then we can find the minor, and then we can find the determinant. Okay, after finding the determinant and the minor, the minor and determinant, we can easily find the cofactor, and after finding the cofactor, we can find the cofactor transpose. Once we have the cofactor transpose, then we can easily find the inverse of K1. Okay. After finding the inverse, we have to multiply the inverse with the P matrix, and then we will find the answer. However, this answer is not valid because it is not. There are no alphabets that match any of these numbers. Thus, we cannot decode the message.
What's this? I don't know how to do this. Oh wait, I know. I learned this from Dr. Asyraf. ERO method is a way to find inverse matrix, and I have to use adding, subtracting, multiplying, or swapping until I make matrix A into matrix I. Okay, then it will magically turn into inverse. Okay.
Tapi kau simpan.
And this is my answer. But I think this is not the secret message.
No, 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 why? Why? Why?
Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Asyraf and others. So firstly, today I'm going to explain the inverse of K2 using ERO method. So in this ERO method, I am going to compare the identity matrix and the K2, and then I will get the answer. In this part, here is the identity matrix, but then and here is the K2. But then in the end, I will get the answer in here while changing this to identity matrix. So firstly, on my first matrix, the K2 here, this is the row 1. Row 1, I'm going to times a half to the row 1. So by times half, then I will get the second matrix, which is 1, 1, 2, half, and the others I will just copy it back. And for the matrix part, I will also times it with a half. But since the others are 0, it will be just 0, 0, 0. And then I will do the same thing to the third matrix, which is which is row 2. I will minus row 1 to the row 2, and then I will get here The purpose of doing this is because in ERO method we can use any ways that we want to make it become identity matrix, whether it is subtraction or multiplication. From the first matrix I use multiplication, from the second matrix I use minus, for the third matrix right now I'm going to use addition, because from the row 1 I make it become, in here my goal was to make this one to become 1, because as we can see from the identity matrix it is 1 is 0 0 0, so I want to make this one as 1, and then I want to make this one as 0, and so on. Then you can see my other steps, I also did the same thing: multiplication, addition, subtraction, and others. And then it will come to this. Look, this is my other matrix. It's a very long way when you use ERO method. That's why for K1 and K3 we use adjoint method, because it is much easier and simpler than ERO method, because when we are using ERO method we have to use our own creativity to get the answer. And then for my last matrix I will get these. So this is my last matrix, and from here I will times the P and the inverse of K2, which I got from the last matrix, and then by times it all, then I will get also a 4x4 matrix. However, the answer was wrong, because for the 4x4 matrix that I got, it has fractions, which we cannot encrypt the method.
Crybaby did the hardest method to solve this matrix. Well, I'm going to use the most easier method, which is the adjoint method. I'm done. This is so easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah. But I think you don't encrypt the secret message.
What do you mean?
Yeah. This is the letter and you must encrypt the secret message.
Oh, I see.
Okay
then.
If 0 for A, 18 for this, 15 for A, R, H, E, A, D, S, D, E, R, D. What is this supposed to mean?
ASPER? Hey. Start. Oh my god, I think I found the answer.
So right now I'm going to show you how to decrypt the message from using K3 matrix. This is the questions, and first of all we have to find the cofactor. Then after you find the cofactor, we have to transpose the cofactor. After that, find the determinant, and then to find the inverse, we have to use the formula 1 over determinant of K3 times transpose C. Then we got this. This is the inverse. So I'm not going to explain deeper, because the K1 also use the adjoint method, so they already explained it. Then after that, to decrypt the message, we have to multiply P with matrix inverse K3. After that, we got this. Then we decrypt this. We decrypt the matrix to become the secret code. Then the answer is ASPER XV. So we finally decrypted the real messages, which is K3 matrices. So this is the real answer. To prove it that we are really doing the calculation, so this is the calculation work that we have done. So this is how to find the cofactor. First of all, this is the minor. Then when we transfer it here, we got the cofactor. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Look at this! I found the answer!
Oh, let me see.
What? Good job! Oh my god!
ASPER XV.
Wow!
You got the answers. Come. Where's the answer?
Boss. Here, boss, here.
Okay.
Congratulations. Now you can go home.